Good evening, everyone. My name is Inbal Sasson, and I'm a business development expert.
And my name is Dr. Danielle Yehuda. As a physician working in the emergency room, I see patients waiting to be seen by a doctor for hours, feeling helpless and frustrated. And for patients with chronic disease, the frustration is even bigger as they refer to the ER more often. COPD is a chronic lung disease that is characterized by exacerbations or worsening, during which the patient feels shortness of breath. The treatment in such exacerbation is quite simple: inhalations and medications. Most of them, these patients already have at their homes. But the real problem is, let me tell you, is to recognize who of these patients will suffer from severe symptoms and will need more aggressive treatment inside of hospital. The current situation is that in order to assess this patient, they are referred to the emergency room. There we observe them for a few hours and take repeated blood tests. In their blood, we measure CO2 levels, which is a gas found in our blood that helps the doctor to decide whether the patient becomes better or worse. After this assessment, only 36% of patients will be hospitalized, while most will be sent home with the same treatment they already have. And believe me when I say it really is a never-ending cycle for them. But what if we had a way to assess COPD patients out of hospital, inside their homes, when the first signs and symptoms of worsening begin? What if we had a way to assess their CO2 level without sending them to the ER? We at AIRIEL search for such a solution that will be non-invasive, easy to use, and reliable. And now we found it.
Meet AIRIEL. Meet AIRIEL, our integrated system that combines a medical device and an app. The medical device is a vape look-alike capnometer that measures exhaled CO2 with a unique sensor. And supporting it is our AI-based algorithm that's passively tracking breathing patterns throughout everyday phone calls. Together, they create a personalized profile for each patient, including their own specific disease baseline, with option to update and self-report other symptoms. Using AIRIEL daily only requires 30 seconds from each patient to blow into the device each morning and evening, just like brushing their teeth. AIRIEL is able to detect different changes in the patient baseline, alerting them about suspected exacerbation and connecting them to the primary physician. The physician will have access to all gathered data in order to decide on the immediate treatment plan or whether or not refer them to the ER. The digital respiratory medical device market is expected to grow over $40 billion by 2030. And while other current solutions right now include home spirometers, smart inhalers, journaling, they ask a lot from the patient, and in the long run, patients just can't keep going and doing it. Also, they're lacking accurate and reliable information like exhaled CO2, for example, that is missing for doctors to make treatment plans, makes them less trusted by doctors. AIRIEL is specifically designed for COPD patients and their love for smoking, if you can see our vape look-alike. And also, in this way, we're increasing the compliance, allowing ourselves to collect the maximum data with minimum effort.
AIRIEL gives the physician a holistic view on his patient's health and helps him to make a medical decision that is reliable. This is even more crucial in rural and distant areas where the percentage of COPD patients is double and their distance from the emergency room is higher. For them, AIRIEL is a real game changer. In the future, we aim to use AIRIEL in order to better or optimize overall disease management and also decrease exacerbations.
So COPD is a chronic disease that's covered by Medicare, and so is our business plan, creating an incentive for both the physician and the patient to adopt our solution. As the user, the patient will get the solution cost-free, while the physician who prescribing it for them will actually get reimbursed directly from Medicare, covering their cost and more in less than a year. We're also looking into commercial collaboration with Smart Inhaler Company as a complementary solution. And on top of all of that, AIRIEL is expected to reduce arrivals to the ER and hospitalization by up to 35%, saving a lot of money to hospitals. We plan to launch AIRIEL to the market by the beginning of 2026 after finalizing product development and regulation confirmation, including IP, clinical studies, FDA, and medical confirmation after getting the reimbursement. AIRIEL, your personal monitor with every breath you take.
AIRIEL was made possible thanks to our amazing mentors and incredible team. Thank you.
Thank you so much.